This is the Secured Entrepreneur Show, and I'm your host, Aurorah Dey. Welcome, and thank you for joining me here for the 12th episode of the Secured Entrepreneur Show. Today I'm going to talk to you about real estate trusts. After listening to the last podcast on holding companies in real estate, I received an email asking about starting real estate investments in trust. For entrepreneurs who are in real estate investment and understand the need for a very high level of asset protection, starting out as a real estate trust will provide some permanent solutions. I'm Aurorah Dey. Protecting your business starts before you open for business. Today, information on your largest and most valuable assets are readily available for public viewing. Entrepreneurs investing in real estate know that a quick search on a county tax assessor's website reveals what was paid for a property, who owns the property, and what is owed in taxes. If there is only one owner or there happens to be multiple owners of an investment property, forming a trust will play a large role in the anonymity of the owner or owners. The trust allows the entrepreneur to hold property anonymously without giving up control or giving up tax advantages. Aside from the privacy aspect, the trust provides protection against lawsuits. Plaintiffs are less likely to pursue a lawsuit if they aren't able to easily determine your net worth. In the case of multiple ownership, the ownership interest will be documented for each owner, and a principal trustee will be designated to appear on documents prepared for public recording. The principal trustee's name will appear on the deed, it will appear on the tax records, and all other documents that can be viewed by the public. Estate planning happens to be one of the best reasons to have the trust in place because the owners can pass the investment property to heirs without having to pay death taxes. Avoiding probate and death taxes is an absolute must. A realty trust has the same ingredients as all other trusts. There must be a trust agreement that spells out the terms of the trust, a trustee who manages the trust, and a beneficiary who benefits from the trust. I'm constantly asked how to go about purchasing real estate in the name of the trust. Well, the best and most anonymous way to do this is to simply form the trust and have it make the real estate investment. The owners must have the resources to do this. If your trust is not operating in the public, meaning that it is not offering a service to the public, then it's private and it doesn't open itself up for lines of credit, etc. Most mortgage companies wouldn't even entertain writing a loan for a property held by a trust simply because it's difficult to foreclose on. Paying cash is how you really want to operate within this legal entity. All right, I'm ready to get into the next episode, so please feel free to leave your comments and questions and subscribe here on iTunes and visit me, Aurorah Dey, on Google+, at Aurorah Dey on Twitter, Aurorah Dey Consulting on Facebook, as well as www.aurorahdeyconsulting.com, AURORAHDEY consulting.com. Until next time. With Aurorah Dey, you are secured.